What do you think about the fact that approximately 5.8% of Americans are classified as millionaires? On average, these millionaires are 62 years old, with only 1% of them being under the age of 35. This information might be relevant to you if you're a recent college graduate seeking guidance, tired of the 9-to-5 routine, or simply interested in learning how to become wealthy. The video provided here offers comprehensive instructions, not just mere tips on how to transition from being poor or middle class to joining the top 5.8% or even the top 1% of society. These steps have been utilized by numerous successful individuals worldwide to transform their lives. Let's get started. Step 1. Focus on developing a positive mindset. Attempting to achieve self-made success without the right mindset is similar to using a teaspoon to dig a hole. It's an ill-advised endeavor. The thoughts and beliefs that occupy your mind greatly impact the outcomes of your actions. In fact, by spending just 1 hour with you, I could discern whether your mindset is conducive to success or not. Every aspect matters. Your thinking patterns, actions, approach, verbal expressions, and communication style. Germany Kent once stated, "Your words control your life, your progress, your results, even your mental and physical health." You cannot talk like a failure and expect to be successful. Now, let's consider what needs to change. 1. Reflect on how you perceive failure. Imagine launching a business venture and experiencing a complete loss of the capital you invested within 2 months. How would this situation make you feel? Would you become desperate and abandon your entrepreneurial aspirations, or would you persistently try again until you achieve success? Understand that failure is merely a valuable lesson in disguise. Although it may cause pain, life teaches you something significant each time you stumble. With enough determination, you can extract knowledge from any setback. Ultimately, it's not about what happens to you, but rather how you interpret and respond to those events. 2. Your perspective on wealthy individuals and money is crucial. Do you harbor negative views or beliefs about money and affluent people? Perhaps your upbringing involved hearing that money is the root of all evil from your mother. If you find yourself immediately becoming defensive or judgmental when encountering someone visibly wealthy, it's essential to address and rectify these attitudes. Such feelings typically stem from jealousy. It's important to recognize that you can't accumulate wealth if you harbor resentment towards those who possess it. Money itself doesn't inherently make a person good or bad, it is a neutral entity that merely amplifies one's existing character. For instance, if you are an individual with negative traits or poor behavior and you acquire wealth, you would likely exhibit those same negative qualities as a wealthy person. Conversely, if you are a good person with modest means, money would likely enhance your positive attributes as a prosperous individual. 3. Your work ethic is of utmost importance. While success is not solely a matter of luck, it does require diligent effort. If you desire wealth, you must take action and accomplish tasks. Hard work is essential, which is why it is advisable to pursue a career in an industry that genuinely interests you. Loving your work is essential, because it allows you to reach a stage where taking breaks isn't necessary anymore, since work becomes more enjoyable than leisure. Mindset encompasses more than just these aspects, and a single video cannot cover it all. Many individuals attempt to bypass this step, but progress is unattainable without the right mental framework. Step 2. Gain financial knowledge. Accumulating $50 million is pointless if you squander it all away. Being financially literate holds tremendous importance, as evident when observing the countless stories of ordinary individuals who won the lottery, acquired millions overnight, and subsequently lost everything within months. Why does this happen? The answer is simple. They lack an understanding of how money works and how to manage it. To develop your financial skills, it's crucial to start right away and embrace smart money habits. Here are the areas you should focus on. 1. Prioritize acquiring assets rather than liabilities. In the realm of business, assets are possessions or investments that have the potential to generate future income. On the other hand, liabilities drain your financial resources. Wealthy individuals emphasize investment and tend to avoid purchasing liabilities. Whenever you make a significant purchase, it is crucial to bear this in mind. Will the item depreciate over time, or will its value appreciate? 2. Develop healthy financial habits. Your habits shape your identity, and it is likely that your financial habits are currently unfavorable. Regardless of your income level, it is essential to start practicing healthy habits right away. Begin saving and investing. Set a limit on your spending, allowing yourself to allocate only a certain percentage of your income, while striving to save another percentage. It doesn't matter if you earn a modest income, what truly matters is cultivating the practice of saving and investing. If you fail to do so now, why would you assume that you'll magically develop these habits when you become wealthy? Step 3. Enhance your skill set. Without lemons, you cannot create lemonade. Similarly, without possessing a skill, making money becomes a challenging task. You must have something valuable to offer to the market and become a person of worth. While starting a business may be your ultimate goal, it is essential to first develop the necessary capital and wealth-generating abilities. Dive into the game and begin providing something of value, anything that allows you to monetize your passion. Fortunately, there are abundant resources available on the internet where you can likely learn these skills free of charge. Among all the skills, there is one that reigns supreme: the ability to rapidly acquire new skills. This is precisely where you should commence your journey. Here's a tip to speed up your skill acquisition: practice focus. How can you expect to learn efficiently if you are constantly being interrupted? Picture yourself sitting at your desk, sipping coffee, and striving to accomplish tasks. You place your fingers on the keyboard, ready to capture essential information. However, your phone begins buzzing with messages, and you feel the need for a break. Before you know it, 2 hours have slipped away, and you haven't achieved anything, except indulging in distractions like browsing the internet and chatting. Such unproductive behavior hinders your learning and work progress. To address this, eliminate all distractions, inform others that you are occupied, muster the strength to turn off your phone, and immerse yourself in a deep session of uninterrupted focus. Once you have mastered efficient learning techniques, you can proceed to acquire a profitable skill of your choice. Step 4. Reinforce your dream by becoming indispensable in the market. Whether you're starting on a business venture or building your personal brand, entering a highly competitive market is quite challenging. Have you ever wondered why it's relatively effortless to lose a conventional job? Let's consider the role of an assistant, for instance. If your efficiency falls short, it becomes simple for your employer to find a replacement. The job market is saturated with individuals seeking such positions, which is why conventional jobs often lack substantial profitability. To command higher compensation, you must position yourself as irreplaceable and distinctive. Imagine the thriving business you would have as the sole seller of tomatoes in your state. However, if you were just one among countless tomato vendors, acquiring clients would prove significantly more challenging. Therefore, once you have completed the previous step, it is crucial to develop the skill of being indispensable and unique. This skill can encompass any area of your interest. Furthermore, an excellent piece of advice is to not solely pursue something you enjoy, but also combine two rarely paired skills. For instance, if you are a programmer with a passion for cooking, you could become a cook programmer, specializing in developing websites specifically for restaurants. Regardless of your chosen skill or business endeavor, ensure that it not only holds profitability potential, but also offers the opportunity to become indispensable. Step 5. Embrace failure as if you liked failing. Now that you have entered the business realm and are offering your skills to the market, it is time to embrace the possibility of significant failure. This phase revolves around experimentation. It is even possible that the skill you chose to pursue may not align perfectly with your abilities, and that is perfectly all right. We have already discussed the importance of failure as a stepping stone towards success, but becoming accustomed to it is not as easy as it may initially seem. Recognizing that failure leads to personal growth can assist you, but it will take time before you genuinely perceive failure as a positive experience. Achieving wealth is not an effortless endeavor, and there will be moments when you feel overwhelmed. However, this feeling of being overwhelmed is actually beneficial, because it signifies your personal growth. When you find yourself uncertain about the next course of action, Simply select one task and focus on completing it. And that's it. These are the steps followed by millions of individuals to transition from poverty to prosperity. It may sound simple, and indeed it is. The key point to remember is that although the steps themselves are not complex, they do require significant effort and unwavering dedication. That concludes today's video. I hope it was informative and beneficial to you. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I welcome your feedback, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Lastly, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.